Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have data. Now select it. Click the upper left cell of your table and drag to the lower right, or hold Control to add separate columns. Make sure labels are in the top row and numeric values beneath them, and correct any text-formatted numbers. Once done, glance for blanks or mixed units. Fix them so Excel treats series consistently. This step prevents misscaled axes and missing points, and it lets Excel suggest the right chart types when you move to Insert. You'll now make the chart. With the range selected, go to Insert and pick a chart type that fits your data: column for comparisons, line for trends, scatter for XY relationships. Once placed, use Chart Design to switch rows and columns if series are swapped, and apply a quick layout to add titles or legends. Then format axes. Set minimum and maximum values, adjust major units, and choose number formats such as percent or currency, so the visual communicates scale. Finish by refining. Add axis titles and data labels so viewers read your message at a glance, and write a concise chart title that states the insight. Use the format pane to tune colors, line styles, marker size, and fonts for clarity and accessibility. If something goes wrong, if the chart appears blank or wrong, check the selected ranges, unhide rows, convert text to numbers, and refresh the data. If needed, recreate the chart after fixing the source, and it should display correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.